Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video, we have good news for you. I want to say big congratulations to everyone that played yesterday, to us, and also on our Telegram group. There have been so much winning. Congratulations once again, and I believe going forward we'll also record some winnings. Thank you for being there for us. Thank you for always liking and sharing our video. Thank you for subscribing. Okay guys, let's move on. We have a total of 2 odds for you today to make our money. Our aim here is to provide you value so that you'll be able to make money from the game that you love so much, which is football. So the our part is to provide those data so that you'll be able to achieve your goals and also enjoy the game that you love so much. Okay guys, our first game today is in Romania Liga 1, where FC Voluntari is taking on FC Botoșani, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals. Then we move on to our second game on our list in Chile Liga 1, where CD Palestino is taking on Coquimbo Unido, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals. Okay, before we move on to our last game on our list to make up our 2 odds, I have a quick announcement. We are currently using Bedwinner as an official bookie, so I would like you to join me and then enjoy those benefits. When you sign up on bedwinners.com and use our booking code or our promo code, which is Moneyline, you will get 200% sign up bonus. Every Monday you'll be getting 100% bonus on your stake, and also every Friday they will give you 50% bonus on your stake. That's not enough. You also have a subsequent 10% bonus once in a while. Then on your birthday they will remember you and give you 100% on all your stake. Okay guys, that is good enough. So sign up. I will leave the link in the comment and description, and then you sign up and then use our promo code, which is Moneyline, and enjoy those benefits. And also our VIP is ongoing, where we share pet service, and then we give you 5 to 20 odds on daily basis, then also 20 to 50 odds. Then during weekend we give you 50 to 200 odds, which is a mega package, and that goes for a little token. Okay guys, if you are interested, I'll also leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Please and please, if you are not ready for the subscription, please do not click the WhatsApp link and chat me up. It's a waste of time. And if you are interested in free games, we have a Telegram channel and group where we drop free games. We have good punters there. They drop free games almost all the time. So join our Telegram group. I will leave the link in the comment section. Okay guys, moving on. Our last game today to make up our 2 odds is in Argentina Professional League, where CA Tigre is taking on Baracas Central, and our prediction is under 3.5 goals. Okay guys, that's all for today. I want to say a big congratulations once again to everyone that have been winning. You've been having back-to-back winning on our 2 odds series for the past 15 days now. Today make it the 15th day this month, where we've been winning back-to-back. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow on our next series. But before that, I will give you a booking code for everyone that use Sportybet, and also leave a booking code for the Bedwinner users. Thank you for staying tuned, and remember, always bet responsibly. This game is a game of risks, and also is a game you love so much. So do not be greedy, and do not bet with everything that you have. Don't borrow to bet. God bless you and see you in our next video.